So today we are going to discuss about the prediction of 20 March 2021 real IELTS test. I got so many requests to update this video, so I'm here. So welcome back to my channel AXACT. So hope you all are preparing for your test. So last days we had our IELTS test papers, and normally you know that reading is getting little bit tricky. Anyway, we have academic and general module test on 20th March. So let's see about how the level of the test will be. So the first test will be starting from March 4th. You know that it's an academically test date, and the second date will be 13th March with academic and general module, and the third section will be conducting on 20th March. So today we are going to discuss about that. So in listening module for both academic and general, in part 1, they will ask fill-up type of question that will be up to 2 words. Either you will get a form or a not completion. So that part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2, you will hear a discussion between 2 people, and you will get the questions in the form of multiple choice question and also selection of letters. So that will be to select 3 out of 6. You will get one question along with 6 options, and you want to select any 3. This part also will be an easy one. Moving on to part 3, you will hear an academic discussion, and you will get the questions in the form of large MCQs along with match the information type of question. You will get the options in a box. Then you want to cross it. So this part will be in moderate levels. So try to utilize the time in between. You will get half a minute to read out the question and half a minute in between to check out your answers. So try to utilize that to read out the question. And moving on to last part, you will get fill up type of question again, and that will be in the form of a short summary completion, and also the word limit will be 1 word only fill up. So this part will be an easy one. So overall we can set it as easy to moderate level. So try to practice well. It's completely based on your practice and your capability. So try to read out the instruction properly. Now we will see regarding the reading module of academic first. So in passage 1, you will get true, false, not given type of question along with fill-ups. That will be in the form of a short not completion up to 2 words. And this passage will be an easy one. Moving on to passage 2, you will get match the information type of question. That means which paragraph contain these information. You will get a list of information, and you want to select which paragraph contain this information. So the long passages will be divided into A, B, C, D like that. So you want to cross it. Then along with that, you can expect MCQs and also fill up type of question. MCQs means multiple choice question. You can expect 3 to 4 MCQs, and remaining will be fill up type of question. That will be in the form of a short summary completion. So this passage will be in moderate level. Moving on to the last passage, you will get selection of letters. That means one question along with some options, and you want to select or 3 options from that. Then along with that, you can expect yes, no, not given type of question, and also short answer questions. That means no more than 3 words. You want to write up to 3 words you can write. Okay, so this passage will be also in moderate level. So overall we can set it as moderate level only. So try to practice well, try to collect maximum range of material, and give first preference to Cambridge materials. Okay, now we will see regarding the general module reading. In section 1, you will get 2 short passages, and you will get the questions in the form of fill up type of question. That will be up to 2 words, and along with that you can expect true, false, not given type of question. So don't write yes, no, not given instead of true, false, not given. So this section will be an easy one. Moving on to section 2, you can expect match the information type of question. That also in the form of which paragraph contain these information. You will get the information, and you want to select which paragraph contain those information. Along with that, you can expect short answer questions. That means you can write up to 3 words. That may be in 2 words, 1 word, or up to 3 words you can able to write. Then the last category of question is fill up type of question. That will be in the form of a short not. You can fill up to 2 words. So this section also will be in moderate level. Then in the last section, you will get a long passage. And this time you can expect to match the information type of question that will be in the form of list of heading. Along with that, you can expect sentence completion. That means fill up type of question that will be in the form of a sentence completion. You will get the options in a box and you just want to select it A, B, C, D like that. The last category is yes, no, not given type of question. So overall, we can say the passage 3 will be in moderate level. So try to concentrate more on last passage and give some more time for that. So overall, your reading section will be in moderate level. So try to practice well. Now we will see regarding the writing module and about the academic first. So in task 1, you can expect a bar chart, line graph or a table or the combination of any two, or else there is a chance to get a map to you. That will be in the form of a diachronic map, same place at a different time. So according to the year or according to the heading, you want to use the tense, future, present or past. Okay, so that's about the task 1. Take care about the structure and the use of cohesive devices, vocabulary based on the trends and all. Okay, and not conclusion in task 1. Now we'll see regarding the task 1 of gentle module. So you can expect a formal letter this time. So try to study well how to open up the letter, how to end up the letter, how to divide the body paragraph and all. No need to use any type of contractions, short forms and also informal words in case of formal letter. Okay, then we will see regarding task 2 for both academic and general modules. So first we'll discuss about the academic module. So you can expect a discussion with opinion type of essay. That means discuss both views and state your opinion, or discuss the advantage and disadvantage and state your opinion, or they will ask opine. Okay, and the second category is opinion type essay. So they will ask in the form of do you agree or disagree, or to what extent, or is it a positive or negative development. So you want to concentrate more on these two categories. Okay, and in case of general module, there is a chance to get a discussion type of essay. That means discuss both views or discuss the advantage and disadvantage. And the second category is opinion type essay. They will ask in the form of agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree. So you want to concentrate more on these two categories. Okay, and now we will see regarding the essay topics which you want to prepare for your 20th March IELTS test. So the first topic is world issues. Under that, you can expect the questions related to overpopulation, aging world population, about global warming, globalization, materialistic world, about the international aid from rich countries to poor countries, about the growing gap between rich and poor. Okay, anything related to that. And the second topic is work and also business. The best way to get a good job. What all are the best ways to get a good job? Or about job satisfaction, about children and part-time works, about the temporary work, about the salary packages, about robots and work, the retirement age, then about the woman in the armed force or factors influencing our career choice like that, then also about the online platforms working in home setup, and also related to business, about small scale businesses, large companies, about the local communities, about different types of staff uniforms, then family run businesses, marketing techniques and all. Then the next topic is transportation, related to private transportation, public transportation, congestion in cities, then increased car ownership, then about the pollution. Okay, traffic rules and all, or related to railway. Then the next topic is technology and also internet, related to technology, mobile phone, internet, then about the whether this technology increases the gap between the rich and poor, about important inventions, or the security system in online platforms, about online shopping and all. Then the next topic is music News and media. Anything related to music, role of music, traditional music, international music, and all. About news, local news, international news, online news platforms, about the bad and good news. Then about the media, violence in the media, whether they are promoting the violence in society or not. About famous people, privacy. Then TV viewing hours of children, and the TV influences on our culture, like that. Then the next topic is education. Related to education, any online educational programs, traditional classroom programs, then disciplines in school curriculum, related to school uniforms. Then about homeschooling, studying abroad, the plans and all. Then the last topic is related to society and also government role in any aspect. So related to homelessness, then importance of traditional lifestyle are being lost. So what are the reasons behind that? About cultural diversity, happiness, about the generation gap, then the rules we want to follow in society, anything related to society or social issues, and also government role in that. So these all are the topics you want to be thorough with. So try to collect some points under these topics which can be applicable for all the type of essays. So try to collect some opposing arguments and supporting arguments, then you can able to write any type of essays. So that's all about the prediction video. All the very best for your test days. So try to prepare well. Try to concentrate more on reading module. There is a chance to get some words tricky passages and all. So try to concentrate more on that. So try to collect maximum materials and do it, and go through maximum model essays. Okay, then you will get more ideas related to how to arrange the body paragraph and all. So try to do that. All the very best. Moreover, till now all the predictions gone through anyway. Think that it's just a guesswork only, so you can plan your preparations accordingly. Okay, so you can give more concentration towards these topics and all. So all the very best. And if you like this video, means share with your friends who are planning to take their IELTS exam. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification.